क्या तुमने फ़ोन उठाया था? Did you pick up the phone? Did you pick up the phone? हाँ, लेकिन नेटवर्क नहीं था. Yes, but there was no signal. Yes, but there was no signal. नहीं, मैंने देखा ही नहीं. No, I didn't even see. No, I didn't even see. शायद मुझसे मिस हो गया. Maybe I missed it. Maybe I missed it. क्या तुम ऑफिस गए थे? Did you go to the office? Did you go to the office? हाँ, पूरा दिन वही था. Yes, I was there all day. Yes, I was there all day. नहीं, छुट्टी ली थी. No, I took a leave. No, I took a leave. जाने का मन नहीं हुआ. I didn't feel like going. I didn't feel like going. क्या तुमने कपड़े धोए? Did you wash the clothes? Did you wash the clothes? हाँ, सुबह ही धो दिए. Yes, wash them in the morning. Yes, wash them in the morning. नहीं, टाइम नहीं मिला. No, I didn't get time. No, I didn't get time. सोचा था पर रह गया. I thought of it but didn't. I thought of it but didn't. क्या तुम देर से उठे थे? Did you wake up late? Did you wake up late? हाँ, अलार्म सुना ही नहीं. Yes, I missed the alarm. Yes, I missed the alarm. नहीं, जल्दी उठ गया था. No, I got up early. No, I got up early. नींद खुली फिर सो गया. I woke up then slept again. I woke up then slept again. क्या तुम स्कूल गए थे? Did you go to school? Did you go to school? हाँ, आज क्लास थी. Yes, I had class today. Yes, I had class today. नहीं, आज छुट्टी थी. No, today was a holiday. No, today was a holiday. जाने का मन नहीं हुआ. I didn't feel like going. I didn't feel like going. तुमने कुछ खाया है ना? Have you eaten something? Have you eaten something? हाँ, अभी अभी खाया. Yes, I just ate. Yes, I just ate. नहीं, अब तक नहीं खाया. No, not yet. No, not yet. सोच रहा हूँ कुछ बनाओ. Thinking of making something. Thinking of making something. मोबाइल बंद क्यों था तुम्हारा? Why was your phone switched off? Why was your phone switched off? बैटरी खत्म हो गई थी. Battery was dead. Battery was dead. बंद नहीं था, साइलेंट था. It wasn't off, just on silent. It wasn't off, just on silent. शायद खुद ही बंद हो गया. Maybe it turned off on its own. Maybe it turned off on its own. अब तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going now? Where are you going now? बाहर थोड़ा टहलने. Just out for a walk. Just out for a walk. कहीं नहीं, यही हूँ. Nowhere, I'm here. Nowhere, I'm here. सोच रहा हूँ जाना है या नहीं. Thinking whether to go or not. Thinking whether to go or not. सब ठीक लग रहा है ना तुम्हें? Everything feels okay to you, right? Everything feels okay to you, right? हाँ, सब बढ़िया है. Yes, everything is great. Yes, everything is great. नहीं, कुछ अजीब सा लग रहा है. No, something feels off. No, something feels off. थोड़ा सा confused हूँ. I'm a little confused. I'm a little confused. तुम मुझसे नाराज तो नहीं हो? You are not upset with me, are you? You are not upset with me, are you? हाँ, थोड़ा गुस्सा हो. Yes, I am a bit upset. Yes, I am a bit upset. नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not at all. No, not at all. थोड़ी बात दिल पर लग गई थी. I took something to heart. I took something to heart. क्या तुमने दवाई ली? Did you take your medicine? Did you take your medicine? हाँ, टाइम पर ली. Yes, I took it on time. Yes, I took it on time. नहीं, भूल गया. No, I forgot. No, I forgot. आधी ली, बाकी रह गई. Took half, rest is pending. Took half, rest is pending. क्या बारिश होगी आज? Will it rain today? Will it rain today? हाँ, मौसम तो ऐसा ही है. Yes, the weather looks like it. Yes, the weather looks like it. नहीं, आसमान साफ है. No, the sky is clear. No, the sky is clear. बादल है, देखते हैं. It's cloudy, let's see. It's cloudy, let's see. क्या तुम टीवी देख रहे थे? Were you watching TV? Were you watching TV? हाँ, अच्छा शो आ रहा था. Yes, a good show was on. Yes, a good show was on. नहीं, मोबाइल चला रहा था. No, I was on my phone. No, I was on my phone. चलाया था पर ध्यान नहीं था. Turn it on but wasn't watching. Turn it on but wasn't watching. क्या तुम नाराज हो मुझसे? Are you upset with me? Are you upset with me? हाँ, थोड़ा बुरा लगा. Yes, I felt a little bad. Yes, I felt a little bad. नहीं, तुमसे क्यों? No, why would I be? No, why would I be? नाराज नहीं, पर दुख जरूर हुआ. Not angry, but hurt. Not angry, but hurt. आज बाहर जाने का मन है? Do you feel like going out today? Do you feel like going out today? हाँ, चलो कहीं घूमते हैं. Yes, let's go somewhere. Yes, let's go somewhere. नहीं, घर पर ही ठीक है. No, better to stay in. No, better to stay in. सोच रहा हूँ, मौसम देखकर बताओ. I'll see the weather and decide. I'll see the weather and decide. तुम्हारी तबीयत अब कैसी है? How are you feeling now? How are you feeling now? अब ठीक लग रहा है. Feeling better now. Feeling better now. अब भी कमजोरी है. Still feeling weak. Still feeling weak. थोड़ा थोड़ा ठीक हो रहा हो. Slowly getting better. Slowly getting better. आज कुछ स्पेशल बना रहे हो? Are you making something special today? Are you making something special today? हाँ, तुम्हारे लिए. Yes, for you. Yes, for you. नहीं, आज कुछ नहीं. No, not today. No, not today. सोचा था पर मूड नहीं है. Thought of it but not in the mood. Thought of it but not in the mood. तुम हमेशा लेट क्यों होते हो? Why are you always late? Why are you always late? पता नहीं, टाइम का ध्यान नहीं रहता. Don't know, I lose track of time. Don't know, I lose track of time. नहीं, आज लेट नहीं हूँ. No, I am not late today. No, I am not late today. ट्रैफिक में फंस गया था. I got stuck in traffic. I got stuck in traffic. तुम्हें मेरी बात बुरी लगी क्या? Did my words hurt you? Did my words hurt you? हाँ, थोड़ी सी लगी. Yes, a little. Yes, a little. नहीं, सब ठीक है. No, it's all fine. No, it's all fine. समझ नहीं आया तुम क्या कहना चाहते थे. I didn't understand what you meant. I didn't understand what you meant. क्या तुम सोने वाले हो? Are you going to sleep? Are you going to sleep? हाँ, बहुत थक गया हो. Yes, I am really tired. Yes, I am really tired. नहीं, नींद नहीं आ रही. No, I am not sleepy. No, I am not sleepy. लेटा हूँ पर नींद नहीं आई. Lying down but can't sleep. Lying down but can't sleep. तुम इतने चुप क्यों हो आज? Why are you so quiet today? Why are you so quiet today? बस यूं ही मन नहीं लग रहा. Just like that, not feeling good. Just like that, not feeling good. नहीं, मैं तो नॉर्मल हूँ. No, I am normal. No, I am normal. कुछ सोच रहा हूँ अंदर ही अंदर. Just lost in thoughts. Just lost in thoughts. अभी तक सोए क्यों नहीं तुम? Why haven't you slept yet? Why haven't you slept yet? नींद नहीं आ रही. Can't sleep. Can't sleep. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले सोकर उठा हूँ. I just woke up. I just woke up. बस लेटा हूँ, सोने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. Just lying down, trying to sleep. Just lying down, trying to sleep. खाना ठीक से खाया था ना? You ate properly, right? You ate properly, right? हाँ, सब खा लिया. Yes, I ate everything. Yes, I ate everything. नहीं, भूख नहीं थी. No, I wasn't hungry. No, I wasn't hungry. थोड़ा सा ही खाया. Just ate a little. Just ate a little. तुम अब भी नाराज हो क्या? Are you still angry? Are you still angry? हाँ, थोड़ा तो हो. Yes, a little. Yes, a little. नहीं, अब बिल्कुल नहीं. No, not anymore. No, not anymore. धीरे धीरे ठीक हो रहा हूँ. I'm slowly calming down. I'm slowly calming down. तुमने सबको बता दिया क्या? Did you tell everyone? Did you tell everyone? हाँ, सबको बता दिया. Yes, I told everyone. Yes, I told everyone. नहीं, अभी किसी को नहीं बताया. No, haven't told anyone yet. No, haven't told anyone yet. सोच रहा हूँ कब बताओ. I'm thinking when to tell. I'm thinking when to tell. तुम मुझे अवॉइड कर रहे हो क्या? Are you avoiding me? Are you avoiding me? हाँ, थोड़ा डिस्टेंस ले रहा हूँ. Yes, I'm keeping some distance. Yes, I'm keeping some distance. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. No, not at all. No, not at all. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा कैसे बात करूं. I'm unsure how to talk. I'm unsure how to talk. इतनी देर कहाँ थे तुम? Where were you for so long? Where were you for so long? बाहर कुछ काम था. Had some work outside. Had some work outside. कहीं नहीं गया था. I didn't go anywhere. I didn't go anywhere. थोड़ा टाइम पास कर रहा था. Just passing time. Just passing time. तुमने मुझसे कुछ छुपाया है क्या? Have you hidden something from me? Have you hidden something from me? हाँ, पर तुम्हें दुख न हो इसीलिए. Yes, so you don't feel hurt. Yes, so you don't feel hurt. नहीं, सब कुछ बताया है. No, I have told everything. No, I have told everything. सोच रहा हूँ सही समय पर बताओ. I'm thinking of telling at the right time. I'm thinking of telling at the right time. कुछ परेशान लग रहे हो तुम. You seem a little upset. You seem a little upset. हाँ, थोड़ी टेंशन है. Yes, I'm a bit tense. Yes, I'm a bit tense. नहीं, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. No, I'm perfectly fine. No, I'm perfectly fine. अंदर से कुछ भारी लग रहा है. Feeling a bit heavy inside. Feeling a bit heavy inside. अब बात करने का मन है. Do you feel like talking now? Do you feel like talking now? हाँ, अब ठीक लग रहा है. Yes, I feel better now. Yes, I feel better now. नहीं, थोड़ा अकेला रहना चाहता हूँ. No, I want to be alone for a bit. No, I want to be alone for a bit. सोच रहा हूँ अभी क्या कहूँ. I'm wondering what to say right now. I'm wondering what to say right now. तुम्हें मुझसे कुछ कहना था? Did you want to tell me something? Did you want to tell me something? हाँ, एक ज़रूरी बात है. Yes, I need to say something important. Yes, I need to say something important. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. No, nothing like that. No, nothing like that. याद नहीं आ रहा अभी. Can't recall right now. Can't recall right now. बाहर इतनी देर क्या कर रहे थे? What were you doing outside for so long? What were you doing outside for so long? एक दोस्त से मिला था. I met a friend. I met a friend. बस यूं ही घूम रहा था. Just roaming around. Just roaming around. खुद भी नहीं समझ पाया टाइम कैसे निकला. I don't know how time passed. I don't know how time passed. इतनी देर क्यों लगा दी आने में? Why did you take so long to come? Why did you take so long to come? रास्ते में ट्रैफिक था. There was traffic on the way. There was traffic on the way. जानबूझकर नहीं रुका. I didn't delay on purpose. I didn't delay on purpose. कहीं रुका तो था लेकिन टाइम नहीं देखा. I stopped somewhere and lost track of time. I stopped somewhere and lost track of time. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा वीडियो को शेयर करें. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आगे आपको और कौन से टॉपिक पर वीडियो चाहिए. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वन.